$7-8 is in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account. Yeah, hi. Hey. Good old man, the contact lenses are already worn, and then let's apply the foundation before making up. Use this new foundation brush, it's so silky. It works. Spread the color number evenly on the face. It is that kind of natural brightening feeling. Okay, and then let's tease these out. Can you figure it out and then repair it later? Different fumigations at the contours. Okay, let's get up now and use this highlight cream. In fact, it was in my video before. I have used pink and purple in the frequency, but today I used this powder. Pink will be more suitable for today's makeup. I think purple is more suitable for the usual Korean look. More makeup, or you want to partially brighten the dullness of the corners of the mouth, remove local yellowness. This pink, it's that meat pink. It's not the cold powder. It has a bit of beige in it, so I think it would be more suitable. It suits our yellow race, and you see, I've used it a few times before. You can see that its texture is really super moisturizing. How can it be special like a quilt? Combine. See if you can see how moist it is? I'll rub it with my hands and feel it. Take a look at this. It is also very reconciled. It is completely creamy. The depth is good. The color is not very natural. And then, our skin tone is very sticky. Close it and gently stop here. I'm not happy here. Okay. After it is applied, it naturally brightens the whole face makeup, which is particularly clean and flat. It's one of those exaggerated pods. Wait, let's use a naked apricot brown first. This kind of blush stick, blush cream are all fine, and then I use this Pink multi-purpose stick. The color number is D05. I have also used this many times. It is very special. I am also very satisfied. Then give this, just now, in the ancient copper river surface, only this side makes a connection. Just think of it as half. The blush will then feint it, mainly to play a role in making it overly natural. Because for a while, the blush concentration is relatively high. Okay, then let's use a black glue pen to draw the inner eyeliner first. Okay, apply eyeshadow directly. We use this ear eyeshadow. First, use a primer to apply to both the upper and lower eyelids. Use it to apply the bottom first. One bottom and then another. First, use this black and gray to feint from the root of the eyelashes, and then I will change again. I brushed a small flame to feint it, so that it will feint automatically. And a little bit, that's kind of okay, and then we bring it up. Eat a small open first. I fanned it, but I feel like I should have to adjust the tuning first with the earphones. When the double eyelids are still pasted and continue to be shipped, it is to ship the head and tail of the eyes in circles, so that you can ship it. Then we will apply a dandruff of false eyelashes. We always have new products. Let's widen it. What about your expression management? Don't give him the eyes to feint again. The end of the eyes is here. The double eyelids are widened, and I feel that the eyeshadow is not enough. Pretty much now. We use one. Brush a detail to draw it down, wrap the whole down to it, It's round and sags immediately. We'll deal with it later, eye. The head is drawn because the eyes are too round. If the glue pen is divided, the inner corner of the eye should still be connected to the upper eyelid first. Then draw the front, and then connect a lower eyelid. Or the detail brush occupies the black and you can trace the eyes here. Smudge it so it will have a black line, which is handsome. I used this residual powder to paint the residue. I'm going to flirt with the black. Even if it is the same, take this polarized front and trace it throughout the bedroom. Silkworm on eyeliner, black glue pen to draw eyeliner. Today, I will use the brownish one here to draw the eyebrows. Girl in red. The water eyebrow pencil is relatively fine-haired and this wave of blue color is not new. Come to learn the pen characters, draw 2 C's first, then connect the middle, and then draw the brush dizziness. Open. Blur and brighten. Wow! It looks good with this purple polarized light. And then use this purple polarized light to trace the connection between the eye and the aegyo cell. Go up and trace the black stroke just now. In this way, put a little dizziness in the middle of the eyelids and raise the eyebrows. Bone here. I just did the stacking here yesterday, and there is no purple. He asked us to be more pink. We stacked on top of each other just now. Is it here? Our words are here. Take it over the nose and chin, and then use it again. A meat pink lip liner to trace the lip shape, because ours is not heavy enough, so with our mouths, let's make it less existential. Dot to cover your lip color a little, and use this. Mint to green. After the mouth is put on, it just kind of falls off. Okay, that's almost it. Management? Are you serious? I usually only order this cream and then spray the setting spray with my new one. Highlight stick. Okay, it's almost there. Then let's brush your hair.